Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, March 2nd, 2023. I hope you're having an awesome day. It is snowing like crazy here in Maine, so it's another perfect day to stay inside and work on building my LiveGood business. But for those of you who are in LiveGood, you know that Thursdays are our weekly paydays. So I just wanted to hop on here and shoot a quick weekly payment proof video. Alright, so you can see here pay period February 18th through February 24th. I received my weekly pay. Today's March 2nd. I was paid $94.50, and I'll just give you the breakdown of this really quick. All right, so for the membership referral bonus, I earned $18.50. All right, you can see here I get paid as a silver rank. All right, so I earn 50% on all of my personal enrollees, and then I earn 10% on all of my second level and 5% on my third and fourth level. So this pay period, I had 2 personally enrolled people I earned $5 each on. And then I had a whole bunch of people on my third and fourth levels at the 50-cent marks. Alright, so that's how that breaks down. Alright, and then the affiliate referral bonus I earned $76 on, and I will show you the detailed view of this really quick. Alright, so I earned $20 on each of my personally enrollees, and then $2 on a bunch of people on my third and fourth levels. Okay? For a total of $76. Now, this is where it gets exciting, okay? Just going to click back here and show you my monthly pay. All right, and this is pay period February 1st through February 28th. So for the whole month of February. And these are people that are actually joined in January or joined before that and are already in the system, meaning that they already paid for their first month. Okay? So these aren't people that just sign up, you know, last week or the week before. These are people that have actually been in for at least a month. So here you can see paid monthly pay March 2nd, $178.92. So for my matrix bonus, I earned $71.75, and I'll show you how this breaks down. All right, you can see here I had a 2 on my first 3 levels were full right here. And then you can see the different numbers down here. My highest level was level 8. 55 people, I earned $13.75. And the matching bonuses, I earned $107.17. And this is where the real money is at, aside from the diamond pool. Once you become a diamond, then that's a whole different story. So here you go. You can see this personally enrolled person, they earned $66 in their matrix. I earned 33 of that. This person earned $64.25. I earned 32 of that. All right, 50% on all of my personal enrollees. All right, then for the silver second gen, I had a whole bunch of people, and you can see some of these, $47.75. All right, we get 10% of this, but it adds up real quick. I mean, these are all people that I'm getting half of their matrix, or 10%, or 5%, depending on what level they're on. But you can see it adds up real quick. All right, so that was a total today. Let's go back here. All right, so you know me. I like to pull out the calculator here, and we're just going to add up, beginning back with my first paycheck back on December 29th. So $25 plus $200 plus $165, $304.50, $247.50. All right, so far in the last 10 weeks, I've earned $1,874.69. All right, if we divide that by 10, I'm averaging $187.47 per week with LiveGood right now. Okay, and you can see here, this was my first monthly pay, was $19.17. So that's up, what, $160 difference. All right, and next month's going to be even bigger. So, and folks, I don't do these videos, like I say in all of them, I don't do these videos to brag or because I think I'm better than anybody else. I simply show you my back office to give you motivation and to inspire you, okay? I'm not a big marketer. I don't have, you know, millions of followers and, you know, email lists with 100,000 people on it. I'm just doing simple income producing activities every single day, including making a YouTube video and staying consistent. all right, and sharing this opportunity with everybody I come across. And that's all I'm doing. All right, so I do these videos to motivate you and to inspire you. You know, maybe you're not a big marketer, so you can just watch these videos and get inspiration, all right? Because I'm just a normal person out here grinding every day to build my LiveGood business, all right? You can do the same exact thing. Consistency is key. Just do a couple income-producing activities every single day. Make it a habit to do them every single day. If you're comfortable making a video, learn how to do YouTube videos. Share this in Facebook groups, you know, all across Facebook. And then when you run into people that you know, mention it to them, all right? Every single person on the planet is looking to make money or to get healthy, all right? Everybody, even the wealthiest people in the world want more money. So you're never going to run out of people to talk to, okay? And I've got some other videos if you need help getting leads online, okay? There's an awesome method from Curry Russell that uses Facebook groups and Messenger. Down in the description box, I have a link to a free digital recruiting bootcamp that you can take. I've done it. It's awesome. You learn how to attract people to you, okay? Attraction marketing. So you don't even have to go out and look for people. All right? That's what I'm working on right now. So you can do this, folks, okay? If you're watching this and you're down on yourself or you're thinking about quitting LiveGood, cut the nonsense, right? Start thinking positive. Read some personal development books. Hang around people that are positive. Look at motivational videos. Just put in a little bit of time and effort into this every single day, and eventually you're going to see results, all right? So there is an earnings disclaimer in the video description. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with LiveGood. It's all dependent on your work ethic, really, right? All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. And just a friendly reminder, if you're a pre-enrollee or thinking about getting in LiveGood, tonight is our cutoff date. So that means if you pre-enroll now and lock in your position before midnight Eastern time tonight, you're going to get the best possible position in our matrix, okay? So anyway, I hope everyone has a great rest of their day. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.